far, we have learned print, variables, if-else, loops, and functions. Using these, we can already make small programs and mini projects. But now, I want to show you a problem. Suppose I want to store student names. This works. But what if I have 50 students? Do I make 50 variables? That is confusing, hard to manage, and bad coding. To solve this problem, Python gives us something called a list. A list allows us to store many values in one variable. Here, name is one variable. It stores multiple values, and square brackets mean list. I just need to print the name of the list, and I will get all the values. Just like this. I can also access any element from the list by putting index of that element. An important thing to remember, lists start from index 0, not 1. So if I print index 0, I will get Sarah as an output. Let's run it. Yes, you can see output Sarah. If I put index 2 and print the list, so the element at index 2 will be printed. You can see, Ali is the output. Let's see lists with loops. Because with one loop, we can print all names. Let's say I welcome all the student within one loop and one name variable. Let's run it to see the output. Here I received the correct output, with all the students' name. And this was impossible with separate variables. So today, we understood what problem lists solve, why normal variables are not enough, and what a list is. And at last, remember these important points about lists. Lists can have elements of any type like only integers or can have string or integers mixture, both are correct. Next point, lists are mutable means changeable, like we can add or delete any element from the list. To add any element in the list, we can use append. Also, to delete any element in the list, we can use remove. Instead of add and delete, we can also update any value from the list. So this was a simple overview of lists in Python. I hope you understand. So in next coming videos, we will practice lists with many challenges, so like the video and subscribe this channel to learn coding with a lot of practice challenges. See you soon guys, goodbye.